Welcome to Domino English Lessons. Welcome to Domino English Lessons, where we learn English through real conversations. In this lesson, Aisha and Hina talk about their daily routines and work. Now, let's watch What's My Daily Routine?
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. When do you leave your home?
I leave home at 8 a.m. How do you go to work?
I go by metro. It's fast and comfortable. Where do you work? I work at a small office in the city centre. What do you do after you reach your office?
I make tea, check emails carefully, and talk to customers politely. What about you? I answer phone calls and prepare files. I also help my manager. What do you do in your free time in the evening?
I go for a walk or watch a drama. Sometimes I read a book. What do you do?
I sometimes read books or watch TV. I also like to cook dinner for my sister.
Who do you live with?
I live with my sister. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents. What time do you sleep at night?
I usually sleep at 11. When do you sleep?
I go to bed at 10:30 because I wake up early. Great! We both have a busy routine.
Yes, but it's a healthy routine.